about hello 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 yes. Hello.
Charging mana?
Explain mic
तैयार हो गई टाइम पूछना था ना पहले
भूख लगे तो हम डबल कर बीच दिन में सिस्टम खेलिए
इसके लिए है हमारे बच्चों को डांटना बच्चे नहीं लेंगे चलो आपका नाम
रिकॉर्ड चालू है
Hello everyone. For Royals, buffer is 135. Max bid they can go for 210. Max bid 210. Buffer 135 for Royals.
I would request all our friends in the crowd to please call upon all the cricket players and friends and family to join us for this event. It will mean a lot to us. It will encourage us to put in more efforts. Uma, please make sure everyone has the same Excel sheet to avoid any kind of confusion going forward. By the time everything gets sorted out, I would just like to read out a welcome address for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening. I stand before you today with heart full of gratitude and excitement as we gather to embark on an incredible journey, the Elite Garden Vista Premier League Season 4, Mega Auctions of Players. It is an honor and privilege to welcome each and every one of you, our esteemed owners, talented players and passionate supporters, to this momentous occasion. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our remarkable owners who have not only invested their resources but also their unwavering belief in the vision of EGVPL. Your commitment and dedication have been the driving force behind the success of this league. We are immensely grateful to your continued support. Your passion for the sports and willingness to contribute to the growth are truly commendable. To our talented players, both returning champions and new faces alike, welcome to the heart of the EGPPL family. Your skills and sportsmanship have elevated the league to new heights every season. As we gather here today, we are not just witnessing a player auction, we are witnessing the formation of a community bond by the love of the game. Your presence adds a layer of excitement and competitiveness that makes EGPPL the thrilling spectacle it has become. And to our ardent supporters, the lifeblood of EGPPL, thank you. Your enthusiasm, cheers, unwavering support fuel the energy on and off the field. It is your passion that transforms this league into more than just a series of matches. It's because a celebration of the spirit of sportsmanship and unity. Your presence here today is testament to the power of community and shared love for the beautiful game. As we embark on season 4, I want to take a moment to reflect on how far we have come. EGPPL started as a dream, a vision to create sporting spectacle that would capture the heart of all EGPPLs and beyond. Today it stands as a testament to what can be achieved when a community comes together with a shared purpose. The success of EGPPL is not just about the matches played on the field, but also about the relationships built of it. It is about the memories created, the friendship forged, and the moments of joy and celebration that defines our journey. Each one of you plays a crucial role in making EGPPL the vibrant and dynamic event that it is. As we move forward, I urge you to continue your unparalleled support. Your cheers, your presence in the stand, and your passion for the game are the foundation upon which EGPPL stands. With your continued support, we aim not just to maintain the legacy we have built, but to elevate it to new heights. Together, let us make EGPPL the biggest sporting event in Kolkata and a symbol of unity, sportsmanship, and joy. In closing, let the season 4 mega auction mark the beginning of another thrilling chapter in EGPPL saga. May the best players find their way to the most deserving team, and may each match be a testament to the spirit of competition and camaraderie. Thank you all for being a part of this incredible journey, and here's to the success of Elita Garden Vista Premier League Season 4. Cheers! So we'll start with the auction now. I guess everyone is well versed with the rules, or should we just go through the rules once again? Is it fine? Please show of hands if it is, if everyone is fine. One point we want to reiterate is this: players who have stated that they are not available on selective dates, they won't be playing the matches on the day that they have previously stated they are not available. Because based on that, every team is bidding. We have to understand availability is a very important criteria based on which bids are being done. So it will be unfair to the other teams who will not bid to that player. So players who have stated clearly that they will not be available on the selected dates, so they will not play the games. The alternate player will have to play the games. If you have shortfall of players, no replacement is allowed. Only fielders would be provided, or fielders would be rather arranged with a confirmation of the executive committee. It should come, the request should come to the EC, it will be validated by the EC, and then only a fielder would be allowed. But that person, that player can't bat nor ball during the match. It is very clear. I hope everyone is fine with it. So let's proceed to the auctions. We have checked it, all the players are put in this box. We have mixed it thoroughly, and random bidding will happen. You have minimum balance. What is the surplus amount that you have? Based on that, please proceed accordingly. Let the mega auction begin. The first player of the day, Vivek Kormakor. Can we have the slide, please?
C category 7th number, 8th number, C category 8th number.
Mr. Vivek Kormakor, all-rounder, batting style right-hand batsman, bowling style right-arm medium. You have the profile of the gentleman here. Anyone would like to bid? Mr. Vivek Kormakor, any bids? We are passing it on. Next. Mr. Vikram Vasandani. Mr. Vikram Vasandani. He is up for grabs. Mr. Vikram Vasandani. We are leaving him. Okay, we have a bid. He is a C category player, so 75 is the first bid. 75. Going once, going twice, going thrice. Sold. Round of applause. The first player got sold. Vikram goes to Team Knights at 75 points. The next player. The next player is Mr. Vijay Tyagi. All-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm medium pace bowler. Mr. Vijay Tyagi. He is a C category player. The bid starts at 75. Base point is 70. First bid will be 75. Mr. Vijay Tyagi. Any takers? We have a taker. Titans, 75. Going once, going twice, going thrice. Sold. Mr. Vijay Tyagi goes to Team Titans. Next player. Mr. Piyush Nahata. Mr. Piyush Nahata. C category, all-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm medium pace. Mr. Piyush Nahata. First bid 70.